Deuce Mackenzie and Trey Migos, what have you got? Did you steal the straw out of Mommy's soda pop? You did, didn't you? It's under you, Trey. You're not hiding it. I see it. You stole my straw. Mommy's got to go check on the kittens. We got to go see what the kittens are doing. Mama just went in. She had her morning food and water and exercise. Mr. Bob ran an industrial strength extension cord all the way from the barn so that the kittens could have a fan. That's the boss for you. Oh, what's happening here? What's going on? Got a couple of babies having breakfast. I see some eyes open. I see some open eyes on the kitties. I'm sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera still. You other two babies better get up and eat. Lazy bones, you must have your belly full. Mama Cat's doing well. She looks a little bit thin, but that's to be expected. She's nursing 4 kittens, but she's eating very well. She gets plenty of nice fresh water. She's getting plenty of exercise. She's taking very, very good care of her babies. This is the first time that they haven't all 4 gone nuts when Mama comes in the cage. But I think they may have eaten right before I let her out. Look, we have open eyes. At least on one baby. Let's see. We have open eyes, at least on one baby. But she let me brush her really well a while ago. That one baby won't get off the other baby. Nice. All right, darlings. It's short and sweet, but that's our kitty cat update, rescue kitten update. Everybody's growing. Eyes are starting to open. They're moving around a lot more, and now we're trying to figure out what's the next step. Because they're gonna start needing a litter box before they're old enough to adopt out. So I don't know. Oh, I see more eyes open. We haven't quite got it figured out, but we will. There's a first time for everything, and as I've already mentioned in other videos about the rescue babies here, it's my first time to have rescued the nursing mother along with the babies. So I've always had to hand raise with an eyedropper, so on, and pretend to be a mama cat when I've rescued kittens this small because they were orphaned. So this is my first experience with the nursing mother, but all's well so far, and we'll deal with each thing as it comes along, although I do like to think ahead and be prepared. So I love you, baby dolls. That's it for right now. I got to get up off my knees if I can. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye, kitties.